Colton donated $5.
Nah, you cheated.
What are the steps to becoming a top G?
Nah, you just took 2 pieces.
The steps to becoming a top G. No, I didn't. First things first. Let's make this clear. This was here. This was here. It's your move.
I went there, yeah, and then you got me. Yeah,
and I took it. The steps to becoming a top G are absolutely not self-accountability. Everything that happens in your life, whether good or bad, is completely your fault, which is why you must be analyzing the chessboard. The fact that his woman left him and he doesn't truly completely understand why and has not put a plan in place to make sure it is not repeated is why he will never be a top G. The other guy who complained earlier that a woman left him purely because the guy is older, again, is cope and fallacy. To be a top G, you must analyze yourself, look in the mirror, and understand that everything good that happens to you in your life is your fault. Everything bad that happens to you in your life is your fault. There's no such thing as luck. It doesn't matter if you get hit by a car while you're walking down the street. It's still your fault to a degree. You could have been paying more attention, been more perspicacious, did a ninja move like I would have done. Aikido backflip and jumped over the car. You are always accountable for everything. That is the key to being a top G. And also, then the universe favors you because everybody else in your life understands that you are that person of absolute competence and responsibility and accountability. Every person who knows me comes to me and they know I can fix any problem. I am that guy. Because they know that I self-analyze. My entire life is an analysis. Every single tiny mistake I perhaps have ever made has been analyzed to the point where I make sure I don't make it again. That's the beauty of chess. There's no such thing as luck. Every single thing that happens to you, regardless of how you lose the game, at some point in the game you must have made a mistake to lose. Even a tiny one. Even if it was many, many moves before. Do you understand?
I do understand the game of chess, yes. You're right about that, yes.
So, life is the same. My work is complete. Congratulations.
You know this.
I have work to do. I'm done. I fixed you.